fact of what's coming ahead. I would like to say to this, and to people out there listening to what I'm saying, Iran, the leader of Iran will not allow the inspectors into that country. The leader of Iran is sticking up his middle finger at every leader in the UN but China. Number one. Number two, if the inspectors are not allowed to go into that country of Iran, there will be a war. And I'm praying to God that the United States of America, we don't do the first strike. I'm praying to God that we will give Israel the power to go after Iran. And we will give Iran and Israel the right to fight with two amongst each other. And that's what we will do. I am praying that the United States of America, that we don't do an airstrike first. Because I'll tell you what, either way, it don't really matter. If the United States, we do the first strike on Iran, it's not really going to matter. Because, see, we're going to give Israel the okay to go after Iran. And then Iran will go after Israel with possible nuclear warheads he has created thus far, since we're not allowed to go into that country. So thus far, he has some nuclear warheads. But what I need to say for people listening in this world, but if Israel does the first strike on Iran, and Iran and Israel go to war, and then the United States, we kick in, and we help Israel with Iran, it will be about oil. That's when it will be about oil. Because China will kick in. And China, it will be oil to China. Oil for them. But for the United States and for Israel, it will be trying to stop the Armageddon. So thus, we are doomed. This is Doomsday, May Day, D-Day, whatever day. So therefore, no matter what the United States of America does, we're screwed. Or either that, we stay out of the whole thing altogether. That's right, the United States. We say, Israel, go after Iran. Iran, you can go after Israel. We give you the okay. This is number three. Or the United States can say, we're getting out of it. We're not striking Iran, nor are we going to help Israel. And we pull out altogether. So thus, China won't be our worst enemy.